All right, everyone. Welcome back to another deep dive. This time we're looking at something pretty wild.
Okay.
Python and Excel.
Python and Excel.
Yeah, so looks like we got our hands on some leaked documentation here. And it looks like Microsoft is about to unleash some serious power
Oh, wow.
to the spreadsheet masses.
Hmm.
We're talking about running actual Python code right inside Excel.
Interesting.
So no more jumping between programs or copying data back and forth. You're going to have Python right
Okay.
there in your spreadsheet, ready to crunch numbers
That's big.
and do all sorts of data analysis.
Yeah, what do you think this means for, like, the average Excel user?
Well, I think it's going to be a game changer. For a lot of people, imagine you're a financial analyst. You can build complex models right there in your spreadsheet.
Wow.
Or you're a marketer. You can analyze customer data with way more depth and precision than ever before. And the crazy thing is, it looks like they've made it really user-friendly. Like there's a dedicated keyboard shortcut.
Oh, there is?
CTRL+ALT+SHIFT+F2.
No way.
Launches a code editor right in Excel.
That's huge.
Yeah, you hit that combo and boom, you're coding in Python without even leaving your spreadsheet. That's incredible. I mean, that tells me that Microsoft really expects people to be using this feature a lot.
They want people to be using Python a lot.
Exactly. So I was thinking, what kind of stuff can we actually do with Python in Excel? Like, what are some real-world examples where this would be a game changer?
Okay, well, let's say you're tracking stock data. You could pull live data from the web directly into your spreadsheet and then use Python to analyze trends.
Oh, that'd be cool.
So real-time.
Real-time stock analysis in Excel. It's wild.
Yeah.
I can see that being super useful for investors and traders.
And what about automating tasks, like cleaning up messy data?
Oh, yeah. That's a huge one.
I know you've spent hours on that before.
Hours and hours manually cleaning data, but with Python. You could write a script to automate that in minutes. That would free up so much time for more important things.
More analysis, more thinking.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So instead of being bogged down with tedious data cleaning, you can focus on actually understanding the data.
And finding insights.
Yeah. And I think the possibilities go way beyond just automating tasks and analyzing trends. You could use Python to create custom visualizations, like interactive plots and charts that would blow Excel's built-in charts out of the water.
Completely.
So basically, we're talking about giving people the power to do practically anything they want with their data.
It's like having a supercharged set of formulas.
Yes, but way more customizable.
And powerful.
Yeah, this is seriously exciting stuff. But I'm also wondering, how much Python knowledge do you really need to take advantage of this?
Yeah, that's a good point.
Like, is this going to be intimidating for someone who's only used a basic Excel formulas?
I think there will definitely be a learning curve, especially for beginners.
Okay.
But from what I've seen in the documentation, it looks like they're trying to make it as easy as possible to get started. They're going to be using a specific Python library tailored for the Excel environment. And they're also planning to offer templates and simplified syntax to help people get up to speed quickly.
That makes sense. So for someone who's already comfortable with Excel, this could be a way to level up their data analysis skills without having to become a full-blown programmer.
Yeah.
I like that. It's like a bridge between the world of spreadsheets and the world of coding.
And it opens up a whole new world of possibilities.
And that's what's so exciting about this. It's not just a new feature. It's a potential shift in how people approach data analysis.
It's democratizing data analysis, making it more accessible to a wider audience.
So what do you think the long-term implications of this are?
Oh, I think it's going to empower a whole new generation of citizen data scientists, people who might not have considered themselves data analysts before, but now they have the tools to do amazing things.
Yeah, it's like you don't need a PhD in statistics to unlock the power of data anymore.
We just need Excel and some Python skills.
And who knows? Maybe this will even lead to more people getting interested in learning to code in general.
That would be amazing.
It would be.
It would really change the landscape of data analysis.
I think so too. Well, that's about all the time we have for this deep dive. But I'm really curious to see where this goes. Python and Excel, it's a whole new world of possibilities.
And I can't wait to see what people do with it.
Me neither.
It's going to be fascinating.
Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.